diterbangkan bersama Lion Air. Terima kasih. Dear passengers, to improve service for our loyal passengers, we would like to inform you we need, I to say, we produce recent online check-in.
Tamu yang terhormat, dikarenakan sesaat lagi kita sudah akan mendarat untuk alasan keselamatan, awak kami akan mematikan sistem Lion Entertainment Tripper. Terima kasih. Dear passengers, this is final approach for landing. For safety reasons, our cabin crew will deactivate it for the Lion Entertainment Tripper. Thank you.